if you are building credit and you want to learn how to build credit the best way possible, you are in the right spot. This is part 4 of the credit building series, where we're covering all of the credit building products out there, what's best, what I would do if I had to start all over, and what you should do based on your goals. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, on the last video in part 3, we left off on Tomo. Tomo has really upgraded in the last few years. I would definitely recommend them. They have the Tomo Boost, which is more of like an installment program, and then now they have the Tomo Boost, and they also have the Tomo Card, which is a credit card based off of your banking. Pedal is very similar to that. So Pedal 1 and Pedal 2 is also a fintech credit card company, and it goes off of your banking data. So best to apply with these fintech companies that connect to your bank account when your bank account is nice and fluffy and at the highest possible amount that it could be, right? Those are the best times to apply. And the great thing even about the Pedal card is that there's no hard credit pull to you, right? Pedal 2, you can kind of see here, there's no membership fees, you get some cash back, and you have a path to increase your limit over time, right? Pedal 1, no annual membership fee, there's some cash back, and you get a path to increase your credit. Now with the Pedal 1 Rise, you can actually, this is where you have to kind of pay attention to these small numbers, because the annual membership is $59, okay? And sometimes you might not qualify for Pedal 2, right? And they'll say, well, you don't qualify for, Pedal 2, but you do qualify for Pedal 1 Rise. The great thing about Pedal is that you can get credit limit increases every 6 months. So every time you make 6 consecutive on-time payments, then you can qualify for a credit limit increase. But again, these are fintech companies that are based off of your banking data. So you really want to make sure that your bank accounts are looking healthy, and that's when it's best to apply for them. They report to all 3 credit bureaus, and it's overall a pretty decent card to help you build credit. You just want to make sure, again, you pay everything on time. That's really, really important, especially for these type of credit cards. Now, my favorite type of trade lines to help you build credit are going to be with real financial institutions like credit unions, right? This is a prime example. Self-Help Federal Credit Union, they offer credit builder loans. Okay, this is a fresh start loan, and it can help you build credit and actually get a little bit of money as well. So that's why I like these credit builder loans. There's different types of credit builder accounts. There's credit builder loans, there's secured credit cards, right? And then there's secured loans, savings secured loans, aka pledge loans. So you have to read the fine print. What do all these things mean, right? So if I were you and I were doing it all over again, I would definitely go after some of these credit builder loans, right? Or savings secured loans. Like if you just recently got your tax returns, you got a lump sum of money, use your cash, put it on your credit report, use that and build up a primary trade line for yourself, because there's not going to be any hard credit pull for secured savings loans. There is going to be a hard credit pull most likely for secured, or I'm not saying for secured credit cards, yes, but for these builder loans, there's generally a hard credit pull from these banks, which I'm not opposed to, because inquiries are easy to get off. If you're inside the credit community, we teach you how to do it. I have a guide inside of my link tree. You can check that out. The Inquiry Express guide. I just had a client book a call with me. He was like, I can't believe it. It works. Yes, it does. All right. If you need more help, always book a call. I do one-on-one coaching, and I might not be doing one-on-one coaching much longer unless you buy into one of the coaching programs, because I have so many people that I talk to. I really have to focus on the people that need me the most, which are my VIP clients that are serious and willing to invest in themselves, in their success, and getting funding. And of course, I don't charge a success fee. You keep 100%. I give you the information so you can be have that long-term success, guys. Okay, so Self-Help is one. They're a credit union, but there's many others like them. There's BMO. They also have a credit builder loan, and it's actually a really good opportunity for you to build credit. Now, there is a $75 processing fee, but honestly, with a primary trade line from a real financial institution like BMO, that is a really good investment because you're paying that plus more with some of these other credit builder programs over the months versus BMO. This is a, probably a grade B bank, I would say, but most other banks are going to look at them like, oh, well, BMO trusted you. They gave you credit. Sure, we'll trust you too, because these type of financial institutions and banks can be looked at like they are comparable credit. They are reliable sources for, other institutions to kind of compare to, right? And that's what we're building comparable credit. So when we go to the next financial institution and the next one, they can use that comparable credit. And that's why it's so important to build that relationship up with your bank, like doing the secured savings loan. So we don't have to start with the secured credit card, because a secured credit card, yeah, they're great for some purposes, like the Discover It card. It's great. It graduates usually after about 7 months, as long as you pay it on time. You get your deposit back. They'll extend the credit limit. That's great, right? It's going to be a hard pull when you apply from Discover and Capital One. They are merging, so I don't know what's to come with that, if they're still going to have that, because Capital One, they pull all 3 credit bureaus, and Discover, they usually only pull from Experian. So I'm kind of interested to see. That's why I didn't have Discover It on my list. It's still something to consider if they keep it the same way that it is now. Their Discover It card is a great, secured credit card to build credit, and it has a very successful path to graduation where you get your deposit back in the form of a check, and then they extend your credit limit. So if it stays that way, I'm all for it, right? But the credit builder loan program with BMO is one to look at. Langley Credit Union, they are one of my favorite. They are a federal credit union. They have the credit builder loan. They have a personal line of credit. They have personal loans, and they have the savings secured loan. And if you're a business owner, they have a great business side as well. So you definitely want to check them out. This is a grade A trade line, guys. And these are the type of trade lines that we want to focus on. We want to focus on investing in grade A bank trade lines. The apps and stuff like that, some of them are cool. We can get a few of those to get us kick-started, right? But where we really want to put our focus is these quality bank trade lines, guys. And I've done videos about this before. Comment the word kit. I'll give you access to my free credit kit that has a ton of different credit unions. It also has a credit pull list on what banks pull from what bureau, so on and so forth. So this is a great opportunity for you guys to build a relationship with a credit union that pretty much anyone can join, right? And when we are looking to build more relationships with credit unions and banks, we want to focus on credit unions that invest in their members. Banks and credit unions that invest in their members are always going to be ones that focus on like teachers, military, police, service providers of the community, right? Navy Federal, PenFed, USAA. There's all of these type of police, types of banks, Apple Federal, Teachers Credit Union. All of those banks are exceptionally great if you can get in and you can join them, because they heavily invest in their members. And if they give you a high limit, then you can use that as comparable credit to go to Chase, to go to Bank of America, and set that standard versus getting approved for low limits. Start with the credit unions and get with the credit unions that specialize in community service members, or that specialize in service members like Navy, Army, police, firefighters. All of those type of credit unions are just perfect. Okay, my favorite. And I've got a list of over 100 inside the credit community and inside of my kit. Now, if you really want to get involved, sign up for my one-on-one coaching, sign up for a one-on-one call, join the credit community, because this is where you're going to learn how to maximize all of your resources, guys. Now, give me a huge thumbs up. Let me know you're still with me, guys. We're going to get this thing wrapped up. Part 4, I'm excited because this is where it gets good. And that's why I was telling you, make sure to watch until the end. Watch all the videos because this is the information you need to know. The heck with all those credit building apps. Sometimes they're good, but that's not really what we want. We want these credit builder loans from real financial institutions. Arrow Financial Credit Union, this is another one. They have the best credit builder loan. Build credit, establish credit, and essentially this is where you're going to see the most benefit when it comes to repairing your credit, is replacing those negative trade lines with positive trade lines that you're paying on time every single month. This credit builder loan is one of my favorites. You can get anywhere from $500 all the way up to $5,000, right? Now, if you get $5,000 from a credit builder loan, you could take that same $5,000 and invest that into a secured savings loan with a different bank like Navy Federal or PenFed or DCU or San Diego County Credit Union, but another credit union, so you can create another primary trade line for yourself. And what I've had some people do, like they've had credit cards with Navy Federal, they'll transfer the funds into their checking or into their savings account and then create a secured savings loan for $8,000-$10,000, whatever they can use off their credit card, because they're building a solid foundation, right? Sometimes we got to get a little creative, whether that means getting a personal loan, using those same funds, recycling those funds. We can use that same $10,000 3 times when it comes to secured savings loans with different banks, because we're still going to have access to those funds. Now, you always want to verify, because every bank is different. You always want to verify that you will still have full access to your funds when you are using the secured savings loan. Like, for example, Navy Federal, when you do the pledge loan, which is the secured savings loan, you're using your own savings and putting it on your credit report. We're putting that cash on our credit report. We're going to make our cash work for us for a change, okay? You also want to invest in CD accounts with the banks. They love that. Focus on building your relationships with the banks. I put a guide together. Comment the word guide. I'll send it to you. It's also included in the credit kit. It talks about the importance of building up 5 or more banking products when you're building your relationship with these banks. What's a banking product? Checking account, savings account, CD account, certificate of deposit, right? Overdraft protection, high yield savings account, secured loans. Those are all banking products, right? And most importantly, if you don't remember anything else from this video, remember this, my friends. You cannot get any overdrafts, okay? We cannot have any overdrafts in our bank account. We have to make sure that we do better, and our mindset is trained for this. If you get overdrafts in your banking account, you are labeled high risk, all right? So stop, because that can get you led to denials for even a secured savings loan, all right? The next bank that I have here is RBFCU. This is also another great credit union that offers high limit credit cards if you build the relationship with them. Very similar to like Navy Federal. Start building credit. They have the credit builder loan, and they also will give you an opportunity to get credit cards in the future. They have so many different credit products. These are the type of banks that we need to be focused on, because you can start with this product. You can get up to $2,500 with them on this credit builder loan, and then you can go after more additional banking products like their credit cards and in anything else you want. Once you build up your relationship, the opportunities are endless. They also have a business side as well. Patelco, they have a credit builder loan that will give you up to $5,000. Yes, $5,000. Don't misuse these funds. These funds are for you to reinvest back into yourself and into your credit. Whether you use those funds to purchase trade lines, buy a secured savings loan for yourself, or invest in one, either way, invest this money back into yourself and then use that same money to pay everything off. You also want to make sure that you don't allow your credit cards to go over 10% of the credit limit. All right. We can hold debt from loans much better than we can hold debt from credit cards. Our credit card utilization is calculated based on all of the revolving lines of credit on our credit profile, meaning our credit cards and lines of credit. These loans that are installment loans do not calculate in our credit utilization. So that's why we can hold a lot more of these than we can credit cards. So this is a great opportunity for you to join, and most people can join Patelco Credit Union. You can get creative. These are banks that pretty much anybody can join. And last but not least, and like I said, you can find so many credit unions. These are just a handful just to get those wheels spinning upstairs, right? Last but not least is Moneyline. You can get up to $500 with them. No credit check, low fees. They say no fees, but I always say low fees. And then you can increase over time. So you can leverage that to do other things, but essentially you want to just get this money and pay it back. Get this money and pay it back on time. Leverage this to build your foundation. Don't allow any cracks in your foundation. Don't allow any late payments. One late payment can set you back years, and they are the hardest thing to correct. All right. So take my word for it. Start building, pay on time. If you need to book a one-on-one, visit the links below. But most importantly, watch all of the videos in the credit building series. There are 4 in total. Start building your relationships with these credit unions, especially service-based credit unions, because they really invest in their members. They know their members are teachers or service members or community service members, and they really heavily invest in them. That's where you want to be. All right. My name's Credit Coach Nicole Scott. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. I can't wait to connect with you soon and hear your success story. I'll see you next time.